Alright, good morning, Tracy. This is the second day of HPL. So today we'll be going through yesterday's homework. That's the first video. There will be a second video for today as well that will teach you how to do page 161 and 162, which is on the value of 1000. So let's first go through what we did yesterday. A bit of feedback from yesterday. Some of you went into class kit, yes, but you all did not finish your work. Some of you say on Padlet that you finished, but actually you missed out certain questions. Yes, I would like to see all models. I would like to see all equations, all workings, and all answer statement. Everything has to be done like how we do in school. There's no difference between what we do in school and what we do in HBL. So let's get the ball rolling. Let's start with page 158, which is the homework for yesterday. So for convenience, I have actually put in the prices of all the items in each and every page so you don't have to keep referring. So as you watch the video, make sure you complete your work on hard copy and make sure the corrections are done. You can either do it in green or you can actually erase and redo it according to what you see on the screen now. Okay, come, let's go. Question 1. Mr. Lim bought a wardrobe and a chair. How much did he spend in total? What do I want to highlight? I want to highlight that I buy a wardrobe, I buy a chair, and the word total means I want together, altogether, how much did he spend. So I draw a model. I have my wardrobe, which is $275. I have my chair, which is $35. I want to find the total. So all I need to do is to add them up together and I get 310. One observation that I saw yesterday is a lot of you, yes, you got the answer, but a lot of you forgot to put in the dollar sign. Okay, please make sure that for money questions, the dollar sign must be there. That's why we introduce you the NTUC, checking for units. So a lot of you got the answer 310, but forgot to include the dollar sign. That's why you see a caret sign and a question mark, and then I write units there. So make sure you put in the dollar sign for your homework. Right, so this is very simple. First question. Let's go on to the next question. Right, so next question. Similarly, I want to buy a bed. I want to buy a dining table. I want to find total. So the bed costs 280. The dining table costs 268. I want to find the total. Similar to what we saw in question 1. So you realize that when Mr. Wong do the models, do the equations, I leave out the dollar sign because I don't want to confuse myself. I will only add in the dollar sign at the answer statement or the final answer. Usually there's an answer line at the side over here. Alright, so for working, for model, for equations, I'll leave it out. I'll only add it in the answer statement. So again, we want to find the total. So all we need to do is add the bed and the dining table together. I get 648, and that's the total amount spent, $648. So a lot of the questions later, they are of the similar nature. So because of that, I'm going to go slightly faster because I know that yesterday's video is quite long and it's a bit tiring to listen to a very long video. So if I can go faster, I'll go faster. All you need to do, if you can't catch me, just pause, rewind, and then repeat again. Okay, it'll be easier for everyone. Right, so the question 3. Now there's a difference here that I have a certain amount of money. I have $950. I buy a coffee table. I buy a washing machine. I want to know how much I spend in total. I want to know how much am I left with. So the part B is something new, and we're gonna explore and see how it's done. So I bought a coffee table, cost me $225. I bought a washing machine, cost me $650. Again, I want to find the total. So same thing, coffee table plus washing machine give you the total the amount I need to spend, and that's $875. So this part is the same as question 1 and question 2. The difference here is that now I have a certain amount of money with me. I have $950. I spent $875. This is from part A. How much am I left with? So having this model here, you realize that this is a part whole model. I have this amount of money with me. I spend this. How much am I left with? All I need to do is use the total minus how much I spend. Give me how much I'm left with. So again, include the dollar sign in. I'm left with $75. So it's actually quite simple. It's something we do every single day. We go to the canteen, we buy food. We usually don't give the auntie exact change. For example, it costs $1.50. I give the auntie $2. I get back $50 change. So it's that kind of how much money do I get back kind of idea over here. Right. So with that, let's go on to the last page. Okay, similarly, this is quite similar to question 3. Once again, I have a certain amount of money with me. I buy a desk, I buy a chair. How much do I spend? How much money do I have left? So it's exactly the same as question 3, except the things you buy are different. So I bought a desk, it cost me $125. I bought a chair, it cost me $35. How much in total? Add the two up, I get 160 and put in a dollar sign. Okay, but now I have $900 in my pocket because that's what I have at the start. I spent $160. How much am I left? So in order to find this question mark, all I need to do is to use my total amount of money minus away how much I spent will give me how much am I left. So 900 minus 160 give you 740. So it's exactly the same as what we see in question 3. Alright. So next, Mrs. Tan wanted to buy a sofa and a coffee table. She has $850. It looks the same, but as you do later, you realize it is slightly different. So I want to buy two things. I want to buy sofa. I want to buy coffee table. I have 850. I want to find all together, which is the total. Okay, so something we can change the words we use. So this one means the total over here. Okay. So and how much more money? Okay, this is a key concept. How much more money? So ask yourself now, do I have enough money to buy these two items? Seems like I don't have, right? Because I need more money to buy these two items. So let's do part by part. Let's find the total cost for the two items. I have my sofa, there is $678. I have my coffee table, which is $225. I add them up, I get $903, and this is the total cost of the two items. However, this time round, I don't have enough. Both of them cost $903 altogether, but I only have 850. So this is my total cost that I need to pay. I only got 850. So how much more do I need? So this is the extra part that I need. So looking from this model, you realize that all you need to do to find this question mark is to use the total cost minus what you have in your pocket, which is 850, will give you $53, which is the answer. So it's actually what you need to pay minus what you have in your pocket, and that's the difference, and that's the amount of money that you need some more to pay for the items. I did not include the workings in because I think you can manage the workings yourself. So make sure as you write down the answers in your homework, make sure that you have also done the workings as well. Right, so this is the homework for yesterday. I hope you understand what I went through with you. Please also catch the next video on the value of 1000 for page 161 and 162. See you later.